What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. If you're looking for a super thin power bank with a built-in cable, check out this TNTOR. I picked up this TNTOR portable power bank because I always hate not having power with me. And, you know, when we're on our devices, especially when you're working mobily these days, the power can go quick. And these TNTORs, I've checked out one before, and the slim power bank was just awesome. And this one seemed to have actually an added benefit of having basically an integrated cable. Now, it comes with the power bank, and it also comes with a little micro USB cable, so you do have that. But here is the power bank, and look how slim this is. This is super cool, super slim, super light. You can put this anywhere. Here is a small iPhone. So for comparison, look how small this is, right? Look how thin that is. Let's look at the Max iPhone. You can see how big it is compared to that, right? So this thing is wicked slim. I love this metal. I think it's an aluminum housing, and it's got a nice weight to it. This portable power bank is 5,000 milliamp hours, so you should get plenty of juice on it. If we look at the sides here, you can see there's the micro USB cable right there. Now on the top here, we have the power button right there. And then we have the output. You can see this corner, the little grab handle, and boom, if I pull that out, I have a built-in lightning cable right there. And you can see the 4 LEDs right there that's showing that this is about half charged. And so you can just plug this into your iPhone, and then when you don't need the cable, you can just put it away. So will it charge? Let's find out. So iPhone 10 right here. I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in and hit that power button. Charging! Yeah, baby, this is awesome. And you can see how I can just kind of fold it over there and the cord is in the perfect spot. Now, I will say that what I love about this is that I can put something like this into my shirt pocket, into my Padfolio, take it with me to a conference, be on the road, have it with me. It doesn't take up any space, really. And the nice thing is, you know, you get low on juice on your iPhone or your iPad. Hey, you can plug this in and it can save your butt. And that's really why I got this. The other thing is this 5,000 milliamp power bank, for being as cool as it is, with the built-in cable, is not expensive. I will put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda, out.